Hello. I'm going to be showing you how to make the Rubik's Cube ball. Let me just get this going.
Don't touch that. Ollie.
Okay, now Ratty, this is how you do it. You just want to take your Rubik's Cube line like this. Then you have to do this. You have to put it back up.
The line.
This is you have to make it in a straight line, so it's like this. And then you need the ramp edge to be. This is the ramp edge right here. Well, yeah, right there. See right there.
Turn it this way.
Oh yeah, we probably should turn it up.
Okay.
Then once you have it like that, so that should be facing it.
Okay, facing this my way, the second one.
Facing. Then you want to twist that like that. Now you could do the rest.
And you turn it. Then you turn down the whole line, the tall line. Then you turn this one here. You start shaping the ball. Shaping the ball. You keep shaping it. Tell them. Oh, tell them.
You just want to keep doing what this guy's doing. There you guys have it. You got your ball right here. There you guys go.
Next time we show you the duck.
Next time we'll show you the duck, okay?
Bye. Bye.